Ayun na nga mga Rops. Nag-snow na naman. Tanghalin tapat, nag-snow. Pumuti na naman yung kalsada. Pag ganito nag-i-snow, may pinupuntahan ako. Meron akong siniservisan dito. Ganyan ang buhay sa Canada. Buti ito, malapit lang to kaya inaagapan ko na siya kasi pag yung snow natapak-tapakan na, wala na. Matigas na, mahirap na i-shovel. Update ko kayo guys. Yan yun. Yung siniservisan ko, maliit na bahay lang. Ito. Apat to yung siniservisan ko dati. Ito na lang yung natira. Kasi ito na lang yung tinanggap ko. Dahil ito, maliit lang. Mabilis ko lang gagawin. Pag yung iba kasi, mga 4-door garage, malalaki. Nakakapagod yung gawin. Ganyan lang. Masarap pa siyang hawi-hawi kasi. Ang yelo malambot pa. Simula tayo dito. Hey, ay.
We already moved to the new house.
Oh,
Yeah, we just have a few things left here.
so you mean
The house is empty.
oh,
Yeah, but that's good. We still have to shovel it for until the end of the month.
yeah. What we agree, I will just,
Yeah. It's okay. We have to shovel it anyway until the end of the month.
yeah.
And I don't know. I will send you the address for the new area. I think you can't make it. Maybe it's far.
You said me before that you are in Chapel.
Yes, it's too far for you.
Yeah, because there's no bike lane, you know.
Oh, there's no bike. Oh, you have to go on the street.
Yeah, it's very difficult because I have a relative there also. They live there in the Burger King.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very close to us.
Yeah. At the back of the Burger King, that's
You
their
should move
house.
there,
Yeah, at the back of Burger King, the same place.
in the same area where we live.
Oh,
Gardens, yeah?
near the school? There's a school there.
There's
Yes,
a
the
school,
school is very
and we're
close to
here.
us.
Oh,
Like where the
So
lake
very
is,
close to us.
yeah.
we're in front of the lake.
But you don't like here anymore?
No, this is not our house. We
This
were
is a
renting.
rental.
Oh, you
So we
bought
bought a
the.
house there. Yeah.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ayun. Ayan yung yung amo ko. Mabait yung mga yan. Naruin mo. Kahit pala hindi ko natupuntahan. Okay na. Sige na. Tapos na. Easy money, di ba? Okay. Let's go.